This time on Maker Hack Shack, we wire up a light bar. Well, it's been installed for a year or two, but I never got around to wiring it up. Now's a good time. It's got some surface corrosion. We'll have to deal with that later, but for now, let's get it wired. I'm going to repurpose one of these relays from the school bus. The orange and black wire go to the light bar, while the red and the green go to the switch in the cab. I put a fuse on both circuits since I'm connecting them both directly to the battery. These butt connectors with the built-in heat shrink are real nice. Now we just have to tie everything down and make sure it doesn't move. Alright, time to pull the dash apart. First, remove your AC vents with a flathead screwdriver by releasing the tab. They rotate and pull straight out. Now remove your window control switches. Remove the 4 dash screws. Then the entire driver's side of the dash snaps right off. Then just pop off the bottom panel and unplug everything. I decided to delete the cigarette lighter and mount the switch here, but first I need to make an adapter. These old signs come in handy for all kinds of things. That'll do, just gotta clean it up. Now I'll just glue it into place. Now we'll just leave this to dry. Time to run the switch wires to the dash. I'm going to use the ground from the cigarette lighter I deleted since I wired the relay to trigger with a ground. Time to test the switch. And it works. Time to put everything back together. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. See you next time on the Maker Hack Shack.